Hi everyone, this is Lucy with WTI, and this is the Green Mound Watering Wand. I use the wand to water my fruit trees, and the shower head is the right amount of water pressure I want on my trees. It has a little curve at the end and is ideal for spraying. I'm petite, so I also like that it's 24 inches and I can reach my hanging plants on the porch. I can quickly give these plants a quick drink of water and even do it with one hand. That's how lightweight this wand is. I also give a quick water down to my porch light to get rid of those spider webs. Here I'm going to show you the water pressure. You turn the knob to high for a lot of water, or you can turn it down for low so that you don't ruin your plants, or if you have seedlings, those probably don't need too much water pressure. The handle is easy to squeeze, it's comfortable, and for all hand sizes. This 24-inch spray wand will be perfect for anyone needing to water their shrubs, plants, or trees. And that's my point of view.